Hello, this is Joan of Art and I'm here in San Carlos City. I'm at 10.9 and this is one of the places to eat while you're here in San Carlos City. So we just had beef with broccoli and halo halo. Well, I'm not able to show you that. We ate everything and there's nothing there anymore. But let's check out. Let's see the place. So this is what it looks like from outside, little huts and where you could dine inside. There are other options as well. You can also dine on the really huge, massive, heavy tables. Some of them right up there. So nobody's here for now, but I have been here dinner time and it's full of people. It's packed. So very Filipino dishes, very affordable and yummy as well. I'm making my video. This is Ken. Well, I'm with Ken. He's from America, he's from Florida, and I'm taking him on a tour and we are now in San Carlos.
And she's doing an amazing job.
And Ken is having an amazing life.
I am.
Doing his own video as well.
Yes.
Ang sa'yo pangalan na to?
Lomel, ma'am.
Huh?
Lomel.
Lomel. So Lomel. Hi Lomel. Why is this called 10.9?
It's
For my vlog. Hello Sir Mike. Why is this place called 10.9?
Mas ma'am, welcome.
Welcome in Radio Talk.
Welcome ka man.
10.9. 10.9. So it means welcome, come again. So it's Radio Talk. Dali na siya. Radio Talk di ay. So do you speak here Cebuano or Ilonggo?
Ilonggo, ma'am, Cebuano. Cebuano naman ko, Ilonggo.
Ay, Ilonggo ka man. Ay, maayo. Salamat kay Ilonggo. So it's nice talking to you guys. So 10.9 means welcome in Radio Talk. That's Radio Talk. 10.9, like 10Q, 10.4, 10 something. Okay, so that's Radio Talk for you. Thank you very much. Highly recommended when in San Carlos. Visit 10.9. Welcome. So there you have it. 10.9 in San Carlos. And see you again in our next video. Bye-bye for now.
in the Philippines. At least that's what Joan told me.